Can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Up to this arranging of chain cable is completed. Arranging of chain cable when ships goes in dry dock, so chain cable is arranged in the dry dock with the help of chain hook. Remember what is chain hook? Chain hook is a 2-3 feet long bar, that is iron rod you can say, and one side one ring you can say, that is handle, and other side is hook, that is used to arrange the chain cable. When you are pulling chain cable, so you should not uh, pull by using hand, otherwise your finger may crash, हाथ दब जाएगा, finger कट जाएगा, ठीक है. So you have to use chain hook for that, arranging the chain cable. That you will do the practical also when you will come in Rahman. And common work done in dry docks and various, all the three types of dry dock is also completed. In this, any question from your side? This
No,
will
sir.
be asked. This will be asked in your
No.
exam. No, okay. Very good. Now is bands. So before that, I told about notes. So note, band and hitches. There are three things जो हम बोलते हैं ना in non language गांठ लगाना.
Yes.
So these are the note, band, hitches. Notes are involved with the single rope. Have you seen that like overhand knot? Just put on the end of the rope. Then figure of eight, giving foothold on lifeboat. That is also involved in single rope only. Ship sank, shortening the rope and giving strength to the damaged part of the rope. Then rib knot, to tie up a bundle with a single rope. These all are knots. Now is bands. Now are bands. So bands are used to join two rope from their end. दो रोप को उसके एंड से जोड़ने के लिए we are using bands. So what are the bands? Single seat band and double seat band. You can see that is one, that I is shown. I is, that is one metal piece is inserted in the eye. That is known as thimble eye. If this metal piece is not inserted, then not used in the eye, then we are calling soft eye. What we are calling? Soft eye. So it is hard eye. And how the rope is connected with this? These are both are rope. One is wire rope and one may be synthetic rope or vegetable fiber rope. So if you are joining two rope like wire rope and this synthetic rope, so on end of the wire rope there may be thimble eye like this. In picture you can see. So this is known as thimble eye. And if you want to join two rope together, so if size of that rope is equal, then you can use single seat band. It's sufficient. Will take load and will not slip off. More about this practical you will do when you will come in Rahman. But remember, use of bands, all bands are to join two rope from their end. So single seat band to join equal size of rope. एक जितना मोटा है, एक जैसा रोप है, so equal size. Dia is equal of both rope, then we can join with the help of single seat band. If the size of rope are unequal, one dia is big and one is small, एक मोटा rope है, एक पतला rope है, then that rope can be joined with the help of double seat band. So what is the difference in single seat band and double seat band? Single seat band, when the rope size is equal, then we can join two rope with the help of single seat. If the rope size is unequal, unequal means एक one rope is big size and one is small size, मोटा और पतला rope join करना है, so then you can use double seat band. Clear? किसी को समझ में नहीं आया ऐसा है कोई?
Got it. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, sir.
Okay. So next are single carriage band and double carriage band. See, as I told you that all bands are used to join two rope from their end. Then what is the if दो rope को जोड़ने के लिए if the band are required, so what is the requirement of this carriage band and the single seat band and double seat band? क्यों है ये ऐसा? Because when this rope is required to join, two rope is required to join, and that rope is required to pass over the warping drum. You have you know about warping drum, that how we are heaving the rope when rope
Yes,
is
sir.
under strain with the help of warping drum. I told you warping drum and gypsy combination in windlass.
Windlass for
Yes
catching.
or no? And winch have
Yes, sir.
only warping drum. So when you are joining two rope and that rope is required to pass over the warping drum, then you have to join that two rope with the help of carriage band. Double carriage band is more securable and single carriage band is also enough. See, after joining with the help of carriage band, you have to lash this two part together. Lashing means with a small lanyard, or you for that you can use marline. What is marline? Anyone can tell me? In own language, what is marline? Anyone?
सर पतला सा सर
हाँ,
कोई
yes, sir.
रस्सी से सर दो को बांध सके
मारलाइन किसको बोलते हैं डियर?
सर सुतली को सर
सूतली को. वेरी गुड. सूतली को इस सीमेनशिप में
सर,
मारलाइन बोलते हैं.
बोरे
Yes.
नहीं जिससे सब चले जाते हैं बोरे आलू
हाँ
आलू
हाँ हाँ, राइट राइट, यू आर राइट, 100% राइट. तो बोरे जो सिलाई करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ सूतली, दैट इज नोन एज मारलाइन इन सीमेनशिप. So you for that you can use this marline also to lashing this. Lashing means tie up two ropes together. दो rope को बांधना. In seamanship we are calling lashing. So you have to lash this small end is known as working end, and this blue one is big rope, a large rope. Length is maybe 100 meter, long rope, and this end is known as working part, and this is known as standing part. Blue one, लंबा जो rope है, this is known as standing part. In seamanship we are calling like this, and this end is known as working end because we have to use or make a band with the help of this end only. Okay, same side, same this side. This blue rope end is this side. This is known as, this is end of this blue line. So this is known as working end. And this light color rope is maybe long, is known as standing part. So both working end and standing part you have to lace together with the help of marline, or another one word I'm going to tell, small stuff. Small stuff rope below 6 inch. स्मॉल स्टफ किसको बोलते हैं? द साइज ऑफ रोप इज बिलो 6 इंच, नॉट 6 इंच, 6 mm, 6 mm नॉट इंच. 6 mm से पतला जो रोप रहेगा उसको बोलते हैं स्मॉल स्टफ इन सीमेनशिप. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन यूज एनी पीस ऑफ रोप, स्मॉल रोप, टू टाई अप these both end together, working end with the standing part and working end with the standing part after making the carriage band. This is carriage band. This also used to join normally that mooring rope, or you can say that is known as hawsers also, berthing hawser or mooring hawser. The rope which is used to secure the ship alongside jetty means rope which is used to tie up the ship alongside jetty in easy language, own language, that is known as hawser or mooring rope. Understanding? So this hawser is always required to pass over the warping drum, because whenever we are passing the rope to the jetty, so when that rope is required to heave away means pulling is required, खींचना पड़ेगा. So that time we cannot pull with the help of manpower. We have to take that rope on the warping drum. We will take the rope on warping drum and we can heave with the help of warping drum. So that is known as hawser or mooring hawser or mooring rope. It's same thing. So that is minimum 65 mm approx. That rope size will be 65 millimeter. Big size rope. And big size ship have large size of hawsers. So that rope, how you will join, that you will do the practical after coming in that. Okay. So basically use of this bands you must know. Single sheet band use to join two equal size of rope. Double sheet band use to unequal size rope from their end, and carry band used to join two big size of rope, or you can say any size of rope you can join, but that rope when required to pass over the warping drum, so use carry band only. Don't use sheet band, double sheet band or single sheet band to join two rope. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then is hawser band. Hawser band is also used to join two hawsers. What is hawser? Anyone can tell me?
The mooring.
ये Arman Pandey is here. Arman Pandey. Okay, Ritik Bansal. Ritik Bansal. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bansal sir, where were you? Where were you?
I'm from Gwalior, sir. I'm from Gwalior, sir.
No. Means you were not on the line. Your mobile
I was
were
online, sir.
online.
There was a sound.
Your mobile were online, and you were
Yes,
not
sir,
online.
family sound.
So be attentive, please. All of you now
attentive.
onwards, from today onwards, I can call anyone.
Yeah,
So
sure,
you
sir.
have to give reply. Don't just log in your mobile and keep on sometimes on side or maybe in pocket. You have to
So
attend.
there is so much of sound. That's why I come inside and
Okay,
unmute
what
the
is
mic.
hawser? Can you tell me, Bansal sir?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Because you are not attentive.
Sir,
And
it is a cable,
Shubham
sir.
Yadav. Shubham Yadav. Shubham Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is hawser? Just 2 minutes before, 1 minute before. Eh?
Sir, it is a band. Sir, it is like a band.
Sorry? हाउजर क्या होता है भाई वो बता दो मुझे. You tell me in your own language, no problem. Pandey, Arman Pandey. Sunny Arora. Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, sir.
You are there, okay. So
Yes,
can you
sir.
tell me what is hawser there?
Sir, hawser is two joining large.
No. Hawser क्या होता है? Listen carefully, all of you.
Sir,
भाई,
Rope,
just
sir,
a
rope, sir.
minute. Rope होती है. जिस
Yes,
rope
yes,
को
yes, sir.
when ship
First
is
basic
going,
love, sir.
just listen now. When ship going alongside jetty means jetty के alongside when ship is secured with the help of rope. जब ship को बांध के रखते हैं ना jetty से in own language, so that rope is known as mooring rope or mooring hawser or hawser. That is the rope only. So name is given to the rope because that rope is used to secure the ship alongside jetty. Understanding? So that is known as hawser. So this common method to join two large hawsers. Large hawsers means, as I told you, the approx size of the mooring rope is 65 millimeter and maybe large. Then the 65 also depend upon ship to ship. Large tankers have large hawser. 65 से भी बड़ा रहता है. So that hawser we can join with the help of carrick band, as well as this hawser band also can be used. Hawser band also can be used. Bands are only 5 I told you. That is single sheet band, double sheet band. This is single sheet band, double sheet band. Single sheet band used to join two equal size rope. Equal size means जो थिकन मोटा है, डायामीटर है रोप का वो बराबर है, मोटा पतला नहीं है, दोनों एक साइज का है, तो उसको जोड़ना है रोप को, तो यू कैन ज्वाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिंगल शीट बैंड. इफ द रोप साइज इज अनइक्वल, एक मोटा है एक पतला है, then if that rope is required to join, then you have to join with the help of double sheet band. And carrick band are used to join two rope together when that rope is required to pass over the warping drum. Single carrick band and double carrick band is more securable. कोई भी लगा सकते हो आप, carrick band होना चाहिए. And
Excuse me,
hawser,
sir.
yes,
Sir, the process of double carrick band is also same as a single carrick band.
yes, same, more securable.
It is only more securable, na sir?
Yes. But
Okay.
both carrick band used when the rope required to pass over the warping drum. And both are easy. When you will come in Rahman, so you will go through the practical, then you will see both are very easy. But you have to do the practice also. Okay. Then carrick band is hawser band. Hawser band is also used to join two large hawsers together. Clear? Total 5
Yes, sir.
types of band: single sheet band, double sheet band, single carrick band, double carrick band, and hawser band. That's all. तो बैंड का यूज क्या है? जब दो रोप को उसके एंड से जोड़ना है तो बैंड यूज होता है. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
there are hitches. Bucket hitch. You see, it's given bucket hitch. नाम से ही पता चलता है. Bucket hitch means when a rope is required to tie up on ring of a bucket. So for that we have to use a bucket hitch. Practical we will go through when you will come in Rahman, because it is difficult to tell you how to make bucket hitch and how to make these all note band hitches. Okay, that you will learn in practical after coming in Rahman. But this use, you remember, it is given in your this PPT also is passed to you. तो ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. Just I am telling you easiest use what you can which you can remember. तो bucket hitch नाम से ही है, bucket में जब रस्सी को बांधना है. So when you are tie up a ring rope on ring of a bucket, so you have to use this bucket hitch. Okay. One more thing, the same hitch. First of all, what is the use of hitch? What are the hitches? Like I told you, knots involved with the single rope. Band used to join two rope from their end. Now hitches. What is the use of hitches? Why the name is given hitches? Hitch are used to fastening the rope. Fastening means बांधना. Fastening the rope on a bars पर, कोई भी लंबा रोड या whatever इस टाइप का कोई फिटिंग है, लाइक शिप में रेलिंग है, तो when a rope is required to fastening on a hitch, not hitch, that required to fastening on a bar or on a ring or on a hook or even on a rope also, not from the end, मतलब जो रोप पहले से एक बंधी हुई है उस रोप में भी आप बांध सकते हैं कोई दूसरी पतली रोप, तो उस रोप में जब बांधेंगे तो वहां क्या लगाएंगे, हिच लगाएंगे, हिच लगाएंगे। तो बकेट हिच नाम से ही पता चलता है, समझ गए ना बकेट हिच। व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ बकेट ऑन बोर्ड शिप? एनीवन कैन टेल मी?
So paint jobs.
Yes, when you, suppose you are working at height a lot, or you may be working on ship side. Ship side understood, no? On freeboard of the
Yes,
ship.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
that if you want to take some tool, like if you want to do some this thing, you want to change some electric bulb holder, so you have to take your some tools, screwdriver or plier or whatever, so you have to take that in the bucket, and that bucket is to be tie up a rope. So that rope you have to take, and after going at the height, or when you are working on the ship side also, for example, you may be going for painting, maybe going for chipping. So chipping tools, chipping hammer, scraper, wire brush, that you have to keep in the pot, in the bucket, and a rope is to be tied up on the bucket handle and is to be passed on the ship side. And same thing, if going for painting, then paint also is to be passed in same way with the help of a bucket. Yes or no? So if this same hitch is tied up on ring of the anchor, then that is known as fisherman band. Same hitch रहेगी, bucket hitch, like this. This is not bucket hitch, this is a round turn and 2 half hitch, given wrong. This is round turn and 2 half hitch. So when you will tie up on ring of the or circle of the anchor, so that time we will call fisherman band. सेम बकेट हिच ही रहेगी, बट वहां सेम वे हमने बांध दिया, बकेट हिच लगा दिया एंकर रिंग में, तो उसको फिर हम बकेट हिच न बोल के उसको हम फिशरमैन बैंड बोलते हैं. You may thinking that why the rope is required to tie up on the anchor ring, because on small boats or like fishermen, they don't have chain for anchor. They are using length of rope for anchor, because their anchor is also small. Boat size is small. So according that, anchor size also will be small, and they are using normally rope in place of chain cable. On board ship we are using chain cable, no? So that small boats which have small anchor, they are using rope in place of cable, chain. So when they are tie up that rope on ring of the anchor, so that time they are using the same bucket hitch, but that time we are not calling that bucket hitch, that is called fisherman band. That is hitch only, but name is fisherman band. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then half hitch. Just see, these are the half hitch. This is one half hitch and this is two half hitch. So this half hitch is normally used to make another hitch. Used to make another hitch. Like this is round turn and two half hitch. These are on fixed point. You can see that the round is taken, round turn is taken on top of this bar. So after taking downturn, that this is 1/2 inch and this is second half inch. So this is half inch. These two are half inch. So half inch is normally to use or to involve to make another hitch. जब दूसरा hitch कुछ बनाना है तो उसमें भी यूज होता है. And half inch is also used, that you will see when we are securing rope on the this thing beads. You know what is beads?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. बोला
Yes. Beads are two like pillar, strong point on board ship where we are securing rope, mooring ropes. So we have to take figure of 8 on the beads, and at the last we have to put a half inch. That you will do practical after coming in Redmond. Okay, so that is the use of half inch. Then this is not bucket hitch actually. This ये जो half inch लगाया है, this working end should taken under the round turn. यहाँ इसके अंदर से लेके and then half inch is to be made. That is known as bucket hitch. This is round turn and 2/2 inch. Round turn and 2/2 inch is used to secure a rope or to fastening a rope on bar or spar or ring, like, or on a hook also. Use of this edge is never get jam. If कितना भी इस पे वेट आएगा, स्टेन आएगा, तो ये कभी भी जाम नहीं होती. जैसे क्लो हिच है, I will show you. This is a rolling hitch, round turn and up hitch, timber hitch, marline spike. Okay, आएगी क्लो हिच आगे दिखाएंगे आपको, तो सीरियल से ही चलते हैं. So this is half hitch. If you want to secure a rope, so just take the rope through the ring or maybe on top of a bar and put 2/2 inch. These are the half inch. ये एक half inch ये है and another half inch is. These are 2/2 inch. So rope will be secured. So use mainly as a part of other hitch. जैसे कि अकेली half inch यहाँ यूज नहीं है. That is round turn and 2/2 inch. So this to secure a rope on a ring or bar or spar, so this rope is taken under the ring and then 2/2 inch are made to secure the rope. Rolling hitch. Rolling hitch is used when a big size rope required to pull with the help of small size rope. Like if a towing rope, for example, if a ship's towing rope is required to pull with the messenger line. Messenger line is 20 mm synthetic rope and the towing rope may be more than 100 mm size, big size. So when we are tie up the messenger rope on the towing rope, so that rope is to be tie up with the help of rolling hitch. When we will pull this and this part of rope, so this will get jammed. This will never slip. That when the rope this pull will be on sideways. जिस साइड में ये इसका एंड है उसी साइड में अगर इसको हम पुल करेंगे ऐसे, तो दिस विल नॉट स्लिप ऑफ. यहाँ पुल नहीं करेंगे, वी विल नॉट पुल ऑन साइड, वी विल पुल स्ट्रेट टुवर्ड्स एंड. So that time also this rolling hitch should not slip off. So if a bar or wooden bar like पूरे के पूरे पेड़ कट के आते हैं शिप में कार्गो, तो अगर उनको हमको पुल करना है, that time also we can use this rolling hitch. सीधा उठाना है या पुल करना है. Used for securing small rope to a large rope under strain to spar when the pull is to come from sideways. Sideways means जिसको ऐसे सीधा एंड की तरफ ही खींचना है. Then understanding? नहीं समझ में आ रहा? अरे भाई yes or no कुछ तो बोलो.
Understanding, sir. Understanding.
Little bit, sir.
Okay.
Little bit,
Then
sir.
okay, little bit, just little bit if you will get idea, no? So this is very difficult to tell you how to make so hitch or knot or bend. That you will learn in practical only. Okay, so just have a idea, and I am also not wasting more time in this. So this is round turn and 2/2 hitch. As I told you, if there is more stain on this hitch, so it will not get jam. ये 2 हाफ hitch को लेंगे, इसको आप स्लिप कर सकते हैं, खोल सकते हैं. Timber hitch. If you want to lift a bar or maybe cargo like goni bag समझते हैं ना, बोरी
Yes,
जैसा.
sir, yes,
आप
sir.
अगर ऐसा कार्गो है कुछ लाइक बैग, तो यू कैन मेक ए टिम्बर हिच. यही सेम रोप टेक ओवर द स्टैंडिंग पार्ट एंड जस्ट give twist on same working part and just insert in the this bar or spar or whatever that cargo is required to loading or discharging or a bag, big size bag also. So when you will pull this part, so that will get tight. इसको बोलते हैं timber hitch. And these are the half hitch again. Timber hitch and half hitch. If this bar is required to vertical from the hold, वर्टिकल उठाना है, तो इसको क्या करेंगे, यहाँ इसके एंड में इधर we will put a timber hitch and here we will put 1/2 hitch. Not required to 2/2 hitch also. If 1/2 hitch is put here, then we can, if we will lift this part of the rope, so this bar can be lifted vertically from the hold. This is marline spike hitch is used to quick opening the rope or quick release the rope. Normally it is used in lifeboat. That you will learn after coming in Rahman in practical. This is timber hitch and half hitch. Just see. This is timber hitch and this is half hitch. Then this double wall hitch, black wall hitch, not reliable. It is just to hitch the rope on the hook. For example, if you want to keep a rope on the hook, that time only you can use. Otherwise, not reliable. You cannot give strain or load on that hitch. That will be slip off. So normally, if the same size hook size rope is there, then single wall black wall hitch. If the hook size and rope size is unequal, then double wall black wall hitch can be used. Same for midshipman hitch, just to keep the rope or hitch the rope on the hook, just hang करने के लिए. Otherwise not reliable, will not take load. This is cat's paw. Cat's paw is used to shortening the ceiling. Ceiling means ये यहाँ से ऐसा जुड़ा हुआ है, ये parts. So this is became a circle like. So this is known as ceilings. This ceilings is used to loading and discharging of cargo. The rope or the maybe that wire rope, maybe straight rope, maybe some strip, canvas strip. These all are maybe bucket type, maybe net type. Whatever we are using to loading and discharging of cargo, we are calling ceilings. So if ceilings is long and you want to hook on, this is hook is just you can see hook on with the crane. So you can shorten the ceilings like this. So bite बनाने का and just give a twist both side and hook on. So to use of this cat's paw is shortening a rope ceilings. This is draw hitch. You have seen on 26 January Republic Day, many places that national flag were hosted. VIP just comes and pull a rope. The flag will start blowing, or you can say that flag open. And क्या बोलते हैं, अंदर इसके फूल वगैरह डाल देते हैं. सॉरी,
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Dendam, sir.
हाँ, तो वो झंडे को जो बांध के रखते हैं उसके अंदर फूल वूल डाल के, तो वो उसके लिए ये ड्रॉ हिच लगाते हैं. जब इसको रोप को खींचेंगे एक एंड को, तो ये खुल जाएगा. So this practical you will do after coming in Rahman only. This is a goose hitch to use when breaking flag. So remember, use of draw hitch is for breaking the flags. This is stage hitch. In seamen, normally you see the stage that VIPs are coming on the stage. Yes or no? But for seamen, stage is like this. That is a wooden plank, strong enough wooden plank, and both side near to the end, just inward inside the end of the plank, there will be two wooden piece are nailed. ये nail और screw लगा के यहाँ fix किया जाता है. This is known as horn. You can see HORN, horn. These are the known as horn. So both side of the plank will be horn. So on horn we have to tie up one hitch. That is known as stage hitch. Tie up the rope so that this plank, when we are using on the ship side for painting, chipping or cleaning, whatever, so that can be hang with the help of two ropes. The rope will be tie up on end of this plank, both end. One end is this in picture and other end will be that side. So both side, one rope, two rope will be tie up on each end and will be hang like this. So this should be straight. On that seaman can sit and can work. But normally stage should have railing just 1 meter above the height of the stage. इसका जो ये स्टेज है, इसके 1 मीटर हाइट के ऊपर, मिनिमम 1 मीटर हाइट के ऊपर एक रेलिंग होनी चाहिए, या तो बम्बू की होनी चाहिए या कोई रोप बांधना चाहिए. एक्चुअल स्टेज वो होता है. But seamen are using this stage. So how to tie up the stage hitch, that also you will learn after coming in Praman. Claw hitch. I was talking about this, that round turn and 2 half hitch when stain comes, so never get jam. But this claw hitch, you can see, these are the 2 half hitch, opposite side. So this became a claw hitch. So when stain come on this hitch, so this will get jam. इसके ऊपर ज्यादा वेट आएगा तो क्या होगा, ये खोलना मुश्किल हो जाएगा, फिर जाम हो जाएगी. Okay, that is the disadvantage of this hitch. Otherwise it also never slip. Self-lowering hitch, you can see that self-lowering hitch is normally we are using self-lowering hitch for bosun chair. Bosun chair is also like this stage there, that is small plank, that is 60 centimeter long, 20 centimeter wide, and 2 centimeter thickness of that plank, and one hole on each corner will be there, and through that corner hole, that one rope will be reed. So on top that rope we have to tie up with the another rope. So that is known as bosun chair. So that rope, whichever is coming from the top, we have to put a self-lowering hitch here, so that only one person can host himself when he want to work on the height. Mast पे जाना है, काम करना है. So with the help of self-lowering hitch, only one person can host, ऊपर जा सकता है, and he can come with the self-lowering hitch. अपने आप ही काम करते हुए नीचे आ सकता है. That is self-lowering hitch, that you will learn after coming in Rahman only. Whipping the end. What is whipping? Whipping is a method to tie up the end of the rope so that rope should not unlay. Rope should not open out from the end. You can see there is various types of whipping, that if we will not tie up this end of the rope, so that will unlay. खुल जाएगा ये. It will open out. Yes or no? So to tie up the end with the help of marline or twine. Twine is, that is like yarn.
धागा सर, धागा.
Daga. So we are tie up with the help of twine or marline end of the rope to stop from opening out or stop from unlaying. That is known as whipping. Whipping is also various types. That is One is common whipping, second one is American whipping, West Country whipping, and Cellmaker whipping. So this you will do in practical only. Sieging. Sieging is the method to lacing together two parts of ropes, parts of rope, which are under unequal strain or opposite strain. दो rope को बांधना. That also you will do. This is wrecking sieging. You can see. So siegings also you will do in practical. General cleaning materials. You have to clean your cabin with your own. You have to clean your ship with your own, as you know. So these are the cleaning materials required for clean ship or cleaning, that is bucket and mop. You have seen at house also, that is vacuum cleaner, then hand wash and napkin and toilet papers, these all are, and cleaning hand gloves. These all are scrubber. This is scrubber means to clean. You can clean this thing, bulkhead, even deck also. If that is dirty, paint you can clean with the soap water, applying soap water with the help of this scrubber, brush and brooms. These are the brooms, soft broom, and this is brush. And these all are cleaning material. Not required to tell you, I think you know everything. This is used in house also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then liquid cleaners, then dustbin. You know dustbin very well. Then portable vacuum cleaner. This is portable vacuum cleaner, and that was big size of vacuum cleaner. Brasso, metal polish, like brass, pickle. If you want to clean, so you have to apply this brasso, and after that with the help of a cloth, if you rub that, clean that, that will get shiny. That is also. Now fenders. Now time is 4:18. The next lecture is 4:30, I think, na? So you have to
No,
prepare.
Yes,
no lecture,
Fenders.
sir.
Fenders I will cover in next lecture. So please at
Okay,
least have a look on this band and hitches also. At least
Okay, sir.
Excuse me,
read
sir.
it.
Excuse
Sorry.
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask that, sir, for hitches and bands, which ropes are mostly used for it?
All ropes. See, when you will come in Raban and you will do the practical, then only full picture will be in front of you that what is the use. Basically, see that notes. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना. Notes are involved with the single rope only. एक ही रोप के ऊपर जो गांठें लगती हैं वो सभी नोट्स हैं. And when we want to join two rope from their end, so that is known as band. Single seat band, double seat band, carriage band, and hawser band. And hitches, normally when we want to fastening a rope, कहीं भी rope आपको बांधना है, like bar कोई road माफिक जगह है या कोई
Excuse me,
ring
sir.
है. Yes.
Sir, I am not asking that. I am asking that which types of ropes are used for making hitches and bands. For example, it is used as a synthetic rope or a vegetable rope or a wire rope.
That
That
also
I'm
you will
asking.
learn. That also you will learn. See, that is a common sense. You all are educated, I think. So, how you can tie up a wire rope with the synthetic rope? Can you join two rope?
No,
Hitches,
sir.
we can
Only
use the
by
wire
sir
rope.
thimble, sir.
No,
Yes. If thimble eye is there, then you can connect the both rope with the help of shackle. That is lugged shackle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is like this. So same thing, when you will do the practical, so you will come to know that which rope where you can connect, how you can connect, by which kits you can connect. So this note band hitches for seamen is to be like this. When a driver is driving a car or a bus, so he is not thinking when he has to press ABC or use ABC. Means when accelerator is required to use or brake, he has to press, or accelerator or clutch he has to press, or when the first gear is required to change and top gear is required to change. That is coming automatically. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Same thing. Whenever you are going to use this note band hitches, so not required to think that you have to put that note band hitches as per requirement, like this only. How you are driving your car, how you are changing gear, and how you are giving steering. Same thing. So that should be very fast. So how that will be fast? With the practice. With the practice. So when you will come in Rahman, so you will do the practical. We will tell you first, and then you have to do the practice. Continue, regular practice you have to do. Then only you will be able to do these all like this. So now time is 4:22. So dear, next, if there is any doubt, note it on the piece of paper and you can ask. So your next lecture is going to be start now. Strength is slightly improved, 37. So GP3 especially, please join as soon as
Okay,
fast.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day, sir.
Okay.